well, and continuing with the rabbit care video, it is the fact that I finally discovered that oats are a good thing to feed these tiny baby rabbits. I mean, if you try feeding them carrots, like how the pet shop owner will tell you, carrots are too sugary, that is just not good for these little animals. So instead, I checked it on the net and it is oat rinds. So I was wondering what oat rinds are, but oat rinds are basically oats. So it's a very your basic, I don't know, see, everything in life teaches you, right? So this is experience, so it's experience, yeah, nothing beats experience when you think of it. So that's what oats, feed them oats and cover their cage completely. And I went and met with this lady who had a lot of rabbits, and she says that you should avoid, I mean, rabbits are not meant to be touched too much. I mean, that's what she had discovered about her baby rabbits. So I try and avoid that also. But uh, but yeah, that is tough to do because they are so adorable. But really, so it's already a 1 minute 14-second video. Oh god. So now I'll make another video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.